Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you how to pass the metal door jump in apartment and if floor parallel with door, and how you can make this safe transition, because if you cut the lock on the previous board and then glue another one, sometimes it's not hold properly and can be separated. I mean, you can get crack in the entrance. So the easiest way is make with 3 pieces. So one long on the middle and 2 short on the side. How to make it, I will show in this video very detailed. So here is a very interesting place how to pass this door jump with this long boards. You see how it's long boards? It's really long. So we can do anything. So in this case, so first of all, need to connect small piece from this side, and then connect another small piece from this side, and then put middle. This is the easiest way. So one side should be locked, another side it's flat, we can glue it. Okay, so first of all we have to measure. So we have to lock it here. We can any place, for example here, and change the length. Here is 4 inches to the wall, 3.5. So it means this side longer, this side ½ inch shorter. How we can pre-cut? So first of all, so we have to come inside 1/4 inch. We can do it more because there is wood here. You see, very close. So maybe less than 1/4 inch. No, we will try 1/4 inch. Then we have to come inside here. It should be under. Okay. Same story from this side. You see, we have to come inside just a little bit, 1/4 inch. Okay. And then make straight line here and here. So if you remember, this should be shorter ½ inch and need another 1/4. It should be 3/4 inch lower. Okay, less. So I measure 3/4 and cut it here. So we have this profile. See, we have this profile. So we have to cut this. Here is need to do bevel. Why I need bevel? Because if it's square, sometimes it's come out from the corner. So if you make bevel, you protect by yourself from any issue. So this we have to cut. Okay. Okay, so we have this profile already. I cut it with jigsaw. It's not too, it's hard to do it. Now we put it in. I'm using some small pieces. Sometimes on this corner drywall is very close, it's hard to slide the board in If you cut more, it's gonna be, you know, not under the door jamb. So usually I always undercut a little bit drywall to slide it in. You see, now we have some problem. It's not coming in and need to be removed. So in this case, we have to cut a little bit more. Like this. Yes, I'll do it and we can see what's going on. Okay, I cut more one more time. Oh, slab, okay, great. You see now it's settled. Next step, we have to install pieces from this side. Okay. I just take the, you know, flat here, just cut it from the middle of the wood, so it just left over. Oh, right here, put it right here. Inside here, inside here, inside here, так. How far we can go, how far we can go, we need to come in, for example, here is 4 1/8, here is 4 1/4, so we can go 4 1/4. Now, so we have to cut this profile and then slide it in. Okay. So we have to move it more inch. We can take inch and inch. This inch. And here we have to cut inch and here. This is going to be off. Oh. Nice. Okay, now we slide it in, this, and this side, and middle, leave it 23. Sorry, I didn't turn camera right, and you can see one side with lock, but make sure there is a lock system side, another side it's flat. Why will glue it? So okay, now we have this glue, put on this edge, so one side we can lock, another side it should be glued. So, okay, let's put it in. Napkin. That's it. Now we can install full board. So when it's dry, I will put the filler, and that's it. So go ahead. Make sure this middle piece as long as you can put it, because if it's very short board inside, it looks very ugly. You see? This is the finish here. Maybe you can find something different way, but this is the easiest way. Same story was right here in the closet. You see, here is a, I put from here one small piece, and from this side I put here small piece, you see, and then I put this board from here till there, one side lock, one side glue, and then I put full boards to secure it. I hope it will help you in the future.